Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 22621 for Windows Insiders on the beta channel. Notice that this the beta channel and the dev channel have now split, so I've got a separate video of the dev channel which is getting future developments of Windows 11, whereas this beta channel is focused on the next update to Windows 11. I suspect will be the 22H2 update, and you see there's no watermark down here in the bottom like there is on the dev channel. You can also get an ISO of this, if you want to do a clean install, you can get that from Microsoft. So what's changed in this build is actually just a few things as they finish off this development process. The underlying speech platform voice activity has been improved. They've fixed some issues when you copy and pasting files from Google Drive and it would crash, and they would also fix some issues when if you've opened the context menu and you do Control-Alt-Delete and cancel, it would crash Explorer. So if you've right-clicked on a file and then done Control-Alt-Delete, that would actually crash Explorer EXE. So that's been fixed now. They've fixed some issues reloading the system tray and the taskbar. The taskbar would crash, and they fixed some issues with Smart App Control would not work as well. And there's just the two known issues with this build. There's live captions, which certain apps, like video players, would prevent them from opening, and certain apps positioned incorrectly as well with live captions. So over on the dev build, we've got things like smart actions, but not here on suggested actions. Not here on this beta. This is pretty much done for Windows 11. 22H2, I suspect. You've got things like swipe up, which I did with a finger on the surface then to bring up the start menu, and there's lots of other things. So I'll put together a whole video of all the changes once Microsoft will finalise this release. So thanks for watching this quick video. You can find out more, including the new dev one, on our YouTube channel.